Wall Street the wrong way is when retail investors won't go away, right? They've been praying for this mass capitulation. Here's the interesting thing. Net, over a rolling 2-year period, there's been zero selling, right? Things, of course, that rubs Wall Street the wrong way is when retail investors won't go away, right? They've been praying for this mass capitulation. Here's the interesting thing. Net, over a rolling 2-year period, there's been zero selling, right? I mean, obviously, there's some times when people are selling more than buying, but cumulatively, individual investors are here, and they're here big time. Are you in a camp that this has to happen, that the households have to completely capitulate and throw in the towel?
I don't believe so. Honestly, I say good for retail investors. When we talk to our clients, one of the main things we tell them is you don't want to be liquidating your portfolios and going to cash when you are already at a loss. Sure, you might want to do some tax planning and some tax loss harvesting, but if you sell and go to cash and you just sit there and you wait for the golden days whenever all of this might pass, you might miss the boat. You might miss the upside. So rather, and I know there also have been retail inflows lately, you want to be buying as prices fall. So I say good for retail investors who are trying to buy into the market when we've seen, roughly an 18 to 27% pullback if you look at any of the major indexes. Right. So I say good for them.
Well, Kenny, if that has Wall Street upset, they're going to be really pissed off about what happened this week, because this week after that big dump, retail investors bought $2 billion worth of stock. They put $2 billion fresh money into this market, the second highest daily total of the year. So my question to you is, are you buying the dip as well?
So, I remain cautious, but yes, I am a net buyer. I haven't sold anything. Anything I had to sell, I sold long ago. Everything else I'm just holding. But yes, here I am a net buyer. And I look at some of these names that have gotten really, once again, dislocated for no real reason, that are opportunities. To Sarah's point, as a long-term investor, whether you're talking to the retail investor, the experienced retail investor, you want to maintain, you want to keep your eye on the ball. And as long as you've got, healthy names, good stocks, mega cap, divvy payers that are solid U.S. multinationals, I think you're going to ride it out. And so, yes, net, I'm a buyer. Am I a buyer across the whole market? No.
Sure.
Energy, coal, natural gas, those are names that